Have you ever washed something, pulled it out of the dryer, and the stain is still there? Or worse, it's now permanently baked in. It's a frustration we've all felt. Today I'm breaking down the real science behind why stains don't come out, and it all comes down to two things: heat settings and stain chemistry. Once you understand these, you'll never ruin clothes the same way again. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make: putting stained clothes in the dryer before the stain is fully removed. When you dry clothes, the heat doesn't just evaporate water. It actually triggers a chemical reaction. It changes the very chemistry of the stain molecules. They become reactive and search for something to grab onto. Most stains are made of proteins, oils, dyes, or tannins. Each reacts differently to temperature. When you expose those molecules to high heat, they form a covalent bond to the fabric fibers. Think of it like cooking an egg. Once it's cooked, the proteins change shape and you can't uncook it. The heat sets the structure. It's exactly the same thing that happens with a stain in your dryer. So if you ever wash something and the stain is still even faintly visible, do not put it in the dryer. Drying it is basically hitting the permanent button. It locks the molecules into the fiber for good. Now let's talk about the part most people never think about. Not all stains are the same. We have 4 categories. Category 1, protein stains like blood or dairy. These are the most heat sensitive of all. They react badly to hot water because it cooks the proteins right into the shirt. Always use cold water. And use enzymatic cleaners. They act like tiny molecular scissors to chop the proteins up. Category 2, oils, grease, butter, and makeup. These don't care about water, they're hydrophobic. Oils need surfactants, like dish soap, to break their surface tension because they won't dissolve in water alone. The surfactant tail grabs the oil and the head grabs the water, pulling the stain out of the fabric. Category 3, tannins. These come from coffee, tea, wine, and fruit. They are natural organic dyes. Tannins bond quickly to natural fibers like cotton. To break them, you need an oxidizer, like oxygen bleach. The oxygen breaks the chemical bonds that give the tannin its color, literally making the stain invisible. Finally, category 4, dyes. These are the toughest because they're engineered to stick to things. Dyes like ink need a solvent, like alcohol, to dissolve the pigment before it can be washed away. When stains don't come out, it's usually because the wrong treatment was used, or it was heated too early. Here's the simple rule that saves almost every piece of clothing. Break the stain down before you wash it, and always check the spot before you dry it. If it's still there, repeat the treatment. Do not dry. Understand the stain, treat it right, and never let heat lock it in. Science wins every time.